everyone, welcome back to my channel. A couple weeks ago I made something. My brain goes like out there sometimes. I made a Cajun foil pack stove in the oven foil packs. Are you following me? I made some foil packs in the oven, and what I used was some kielbasa and some fresh corn on the cob and baby red potatoes. And I put some Cajun seasoning all over it, some olive oil and some butter, and I'm telling you what, it was absolutely off the chain. It was so good that I thought I would go ahead and do a video on that and share this recipe with you. You could use any type of meat you wanted to. I said next time I make this I'm going to throw in some shrimp, and I wanted to buy some king crab legs, but I didn't get that stuff ordered, so we're just doing what I done a couple weeks ago. It was absolutely fantastic, and if you like Cajun food like that, I think you're really going to love this recipe. But like I said, you could use any type of meat you want to use. If you wanted to use some chicken, you could use some chicken, you could use shrimp, you could use clams, oysters, salmon, fish, crab legs, anything you wanted to do, you could throw in here. It is absolutely phenomenal. You're really gonna like it. And this is so simple, so easy, and the cleanup is just, all you gotta do is throw your foil away when you're done eating your dinner. When I made this a couple weeks ago, I made some jasmine rice to go with it, and it was so good, so good. I'm not gonna be making any rice today. Today we're just doing this this quick and easy foil type lunch, dinner, snack, breakfast. I could eat it 24/7. It's that good. So let me show you what I got going on right here. Very simple and easy. I've got some little red potatoes that I've already washed, and we're just going to kind of quarter those. I've got some fresh corn here that I got at my local grocery store, and some kielbasa. This stuff is absolutely amazing in this. Quick and easy. Let me show you. Let me show you. You know what? I'm getting too excited. I'm getting ahead of myself. So all you're going to do is take your potatoes. If you want to cut some of those little bad places off, you go right ahead. I don't think they're that bad to where I wouldn't eat them. You know, those little red potatoes have like some areas on them sometimes, don't they? But I'm just going to take it and then just kind of quarter it. Just like so. And we're going to do that to all of our little red potatoes. Potatoes are all cut. Now we're just going to go ahead and cut our corn. You can cut it however you like it. I like to do mine in threes. Oh, it's tough to cut. Just like so. Be careful, guys. That is ready. Now we're just I'm gonna wipe my mess up here, and then we're just gonna go ahead and cut our kielbasa. They have different different forms of this. Smoked sausage there, you could use just the regular smoked sausage. They got beef. They got turkey if you want to do like a leaner type dish, but y'all know I'm not about that, right? I'm big and beautiful. So you're just going to cut your sausage, and however kind of type size chunks that you want. I like to do mine about, I don't know, medium, somewhere around there. Here comes Daisy. Anytime she hears that knife going, here she comes. This is so good. And like I said, you could do chicken if you wanted to. Get you some chicken breast and just cut those up. And it cooks right in the oven, and all that deliciousness. Oh, it's just so good. So, so good. My daughter loves this. Loves it, loves it. I like this sausage. I like to eat it just like that. Alright. So I've got all of that. Let me stick all that on my plate. Look at that. You know that's going to be good. You know that's going to be good, my friends. Now, if you wanted to do... Wait a minute. I'm trying to talk over this noise. Ooh, Whew, that lost a piece of sausage. If you wanted to do individual packs, you certainly could. But when I made this a couple weeks ago, I just put it all in one. And I like to kind of layer it. That way you make sure that it doesn't, the juices doesn't spill out. You could put this on a baking sheet if you would like. But I'm not going to, because I'm going to throw some macaroni and cheese in the oven. I ain't got room for both of them now. And then you just put your corn and your potatoes. Just throw everything in there. Just throw it all on there. Look at that. It's kind of like a seafood boil right in the oven. And then I just season it. That's all I do. We're going to go in with some olive oil, a little bit of olive oil. And you want to put the olive oil in, on first, because you're going to want your Cajun seasoning to stick to your food there. Also going to put some butter on there, and some pepper. And then Cajun seasoning. And this I just bought from my local grocery store. If you want to make your own, you certainly could. Go right ahead. But I'm just using what we have, what they have, and just liberally sprinkle that on there very generously. Very generously. So good. And then I'm going to take some pats of butter and I'm going to put right on top. Now the butter is what makes this absolutely amazing. One of the things. So you have to use quite a bit. I think so anyway. But if you don't want to use that much butter, don't use that much butter. You're going to use at least about half a stick. You want your potatoes and your corn to be, you know, delicious. Then we're just going to roll this packet up. And I always double it. So I'm going to put more foil on it. Just want to make sure it's nice and filled. In the oven it goes. Okay, I ended up having to bake mine just a little bit longer because I had some macaroni and cheese in there that I cooked my macaroni and cheese on 400, and let me take you back a little bit. And this I normally like to cook on 425, so cook yours at 425. I'm gonna show you this. I want you to look down in here. All right, guys, I want you to look at that. Look how amazing that looks. The potatoes are nice and tender, and that corn is just loaded with goodness. It is so good. The sausage is delicious. Look at that. You gotta ignore her. She's over drying a water bottle off. Don't ask why. I don't even know. Look at that. Look how amazing that looks. You know, literally half the time, I don't even know what's going on here. But I did discover that I left the green tag on this shirt when I started this video. So if you see the green tag, don't go back and try to look at it either, see if you can find it. I left the tag on this shirt. the green tag was on this shirt. But don't go back and try to find it. I'm gonna try the sausage. It's so hot. Back like I ain't even in here. Oh, it's so good. That was a big piece. And you got all that juice in the bottom of the container, in the bottom of your foil, not container. You can just pour right over it. You can just put it right in the, you can just open the foil out and serve it just like that. Makes it kind of rustic looking, you know what I'm saying? It's so good. I hope you give this video a try. I hope you give this recipe a try. I hope you like this video. You know I love you guys very much, and I'll see you on the next one. She's just popping stuff over there like I ain't even here. The camera starts rolling, the dogs want out, the husband's in the refrigerator, and she's over there doing whatever. Bye.